Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got an Equestrian slim bucket bag to share with you. And this bag was actually never used. It still is in new condition and has the original Coach price tag attached. So that's pretty cool. And it also comes with the inspector tag and the registration card and then this little sales booklet. So it's pretty cool. It was maintained all these years. I think it was made, let's see, in 1998. So, you know, it's been maintained really well over the years, obviously. And this specific bag was made in the US and it's in the color navy. And then the style number is 9806 for all Equestrian slim bucket bags from that time period. So anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So here's what the front looks like. Try to get the sides in the frame. Here's what the strap looks like. It's a shoulder strap. And then here's the side. It is adjustable as well, the strap right here. And then here's the other side. It basically looks the same as the front. And then here's the other side. So yeah. That's what the bag looks like. And then here's the hang tag. It does kind of have a slight bend in it, probably from the way it was stored over the years. So it does have that, but probably not a big deal. And then here's the bottom of the bag so you can kind of see how wide it is. And then here's the front. It does have a magnetic snap closure here. And then here's the inside of the bag. It's got just a basic slip pocket here, and then it does have a pocket. You can pull out these pockets if you want to see them better, but this pocket has a zip closure up top and then has the creed as well, so you can see it. And then it has the stamp here that's upside down, but I believe it says ES, which I think meant employee sale, so I would assume that means that this bag was originally purchased by an employee, so that's kind of cool to see. So yeah, and then I'll show you, this is kind of how big the interior of the bag is, so you could probably fit quite a bit inside of it, but I don't think it would be like a super heavy bag to carry or anything, because as the name suggests, it is still pretty slim. So I would say it's probably a pretty good medium-sized bag. But anyway, that's the Equestrian slim bucket bag. If you guys want to check it out further, I'll of course link it below in our Etsy shop, and I'll link all of the details that I mentioned about the bag in the description box as well. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.